Welcome! We'll show you how to link Shopify and schedule automatic updates. Upon logging in, access the connection screen and click Add. Pick the relevant connection and continue by Next. Provide the store name here. Move forward to the next step. Click Connect to open the pop-up window, where you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Once entered, the connection will be successfully established. Proceed to the next step to save the connection details. Navigate to the collection screen and click Add option. Choose the connection and click Next to continue. Pick the relevant object from the list and then click Next to move forward. The displayed data will match the object you selected in the previous step. The visualizer provides an intuitive interface to quickly switch between data objects. After selecting the object, you can configure filters, sorting, and limits. When you click on the ellipsis, the Refresh Schedule option will be displayed. However, ensure that your Google Sheets connection is established first. Go to the Connections screen, select Google Sheets, authenticate with your Google account, and click Save to complete the connection. Navigate back to the collection screen and select Refresh Schedule. In the pop-up, enter the Google Sheet URL and click Check Connection to confirm access. Specify the sheet name, then select your desired sync method. You can optionally enable email notifications to receive updates. Set the timing based on when you want the sheet to be updated and how often you would like the updates to occur. Once you click Save, the schedule will be activated. That's all. Now, depending on the syncing method you select, the data will be updated on the sheet accordingly. For instance, when I selected Append, the data was rendered on the sheet. However, upon selecting Update, a new entry based on today's data is automatically updated on the sheet at the scheduled time. That concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for your time.